Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Monday, February 22nd, 2021. It is 8:07 and 15 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Neandertal gene. So let's hop to it. Neandertal gene variants both increase and decrease the risk for severe COVID-19. Date February 16, 2021. Source, Karolinska Institute. Summary. Last year, researchers showed that a major genetic risk factor for severe COVID-19 is inherited from Neanderthals. Now the same researchers showed that Neanderthals also contributed a protective variant. Half of all people outside Africa carry a Neandertal gene variant that reduces the risk of needing intensive care for COVID-19 by 20%. Some people become seriously ill when infected with SARS-CoV-2, while others get only mild or no symptoms. In addition to risk factors such as advanced age and diabetes, gene variants also make people more or less sensitive to developing severe COVID-19. A major genetic risk factor is located on chromosome 3 and dramatically increases the risk of respiratory failure and even death. Evolutionary anthropology researchers discovered last year that this risk variant is inherited from Neanderthals. Now the research duo shows that the Neanderthals also contributed a protective variant to present-day people. They find that a region on chromosome 12 that reduces the risk of needing intensive care upon infection with the virus by 20% is inherited from Neanderthals. The genes in this region are called OAS and regulate the activity of an enzyme that breaks down viral genomes. In the Neanderthal variant, the enzyme seems to do this more efficiently. This shows that our heritage from Neanderthals is a double-edged sword when it comes to our response to SARS-CoV-2. They have given us variants that we can both curse and thank them for. The study also shows that the protective variant from Neanderthals has increased in frequency since the last ice age, so that it is now carried by about half of all people outside Africa. It is striking that this Neanderthal gene variant has become so common in many parts of the world. This suggests that it has been favorable in the past. It is also striking that two genetic variants inherited from Neanderthals influence COVID-19 outcomes in opposite directions. Their immune system obviously influences us in both positive and negative ways today. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.